There are a number of considerations that need to be made when running a VO2 max test, particularly on a treadmill. The first one is that in this circumstance you can only run subject. The other thing is that you've got to keep in mind that being a max test or a VO2 max test, it's exactly that, it's a test to maximal exhaustion. So as a consequence, if you've got limited time, you really need to pick your subjects quite wisely, ones who you know who are likely to push themselves to exhaustion. So the problem with this test is that once you've started it, unless you go to exhaustion, you can't stop the test and start again. Which raises a couple of issues. Now, if you're going to go to maximal exhaustion, you need to have a couple of safe mechanisms enabled to allow the subject to stop safely. So in this circumstance, the ASMS Cybex Trotter Elite machines have two mechanisms by which they can stop. The first one is, and this is assuming the student isn't actually running so flat out that they've got no ability to actually push this button, there is a very large stop button here on the control panel. The second one, and the more reliable one, is actually this mechanism which, when all subjects who run on this treadmill, must connect this clip to a piece of clothing. So if I do that just now, what happens is I'm now connected by line to a magnet. This magnet closes a circuit within the treadmill such that when it is disconnected, the machine will shut down. I'll just give you a short demonstration of that. And there we go. So any student that starts to move too far away from the front of the treadmill will cause the treadmill to shut down and prevent them from actually being thrown off the back of the machine.